Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I will be showing you how to disconnect Spotify from Waze. So, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and tap on the Waze application, or you could just simply open it up. Now, once you are here on the Waze app, select the menu icon or the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now here on the settings, you will have an option over here, audio player. So go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, as you can see, if you have the Spotify connected, in order for you to disconnect it, you just simply go ahead and tap on a disconnect on the Spotify application. Pretty much when you tap on disconnect, you should be able to not have the Spotify from Waze. And there you go. I hope you followed along. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.